Who's the leader in your class?
Saya me. I'm the leader.
What's your name?
Andi Miratul Jana, Miss.
Okay, I'm Ratu Jana. How many students in your class?
Only four. 4 students.
Okay. Wait a moment. I will call your name in the attendance list. The first one is Abigail Mara.
Like Miss.
Andi Ratu Jana.
Present, Miss.
Nur Colby.
Present, Miss.
Hijrah.
Present, Miss.
Musfira.
Present, Miss.
Okay. Last week we learned about announcement test, and today we will learn about writing short story. Have you ever heard before about short story, guys?
Yes. Yes. Yes, Miss.
But I will explain today about short story. Before we start, here the learning objective of the material today. The first one is understand short story elements. The second one is identify narrative structure. The first one is orientation, complication, and resolution. The third one is develop a story outline. And the last one is write a short story using vocabulary and structure correctly. So, siswaku sekalian, kita harus diharapkan siswaku mampu mengerti tentang elemen dari cerita pendek dan mengidentifikasi dengan spesifiknya yaitu narrative text, dengan isinya yaitu orientation, structure-nya yaitu orientation, complication, and resolution. And we improve your about short story. And the last one is you menulis kembali atau kalian membuat sendiri short story kalian, cerita pendek kalian dengan of course dengan vocabulary yang menarik dan strukturnya dengan benar. What is a short story? Short story is a brief work of fiction that usually focus on one main idea, event, or characters. It is shorter than a novel and is meant to be read in one sitting. Jadi, cerita pendek adalah karya sastra singkat, of course, dan biasanya hanya memiliki satu peristiwa atau kejadian saja. It is focused on one single plot, a few characters, and one main conflict. Element of a short story. Kalian diharapkan mampu menulis dan harus menyertakannya, yaitu pertama characters, like who is the story, who is character in your story, setting, where and when does the story take place, like setting you can put one or two place, and the character too, and the plot, what is happening in the story, conflict, what is the problem, and the resolution was how is the problem solved. The third one is structure. The first one we have orientation. Biasanya, actually, usually the first one is introduce characters setting, like who is the name of your characters, how many characters you would make, and the others. And the second one is complication. Introduce the main problem. You make the plot in here and introduce your main problem too. And the third one is resolution. So how the problem is solved. Bagaimana sih di cerita kalian ini dapat menyelesaikan masalah dari di complication tadi.
Tom's trap. Tom the cat lived in a house where Jerry the mouse often stole cheese from the kitchen. One day, Tom set a trap to catch Jerry, but Jerry noticed it and made a fake cheese to trick Tom. Tom got caught in his own trap and Jerry escaped with the real cheese. Tom realized Jerry was smarter than he thought.
Okay, thank you. Give a plus to your friend. Who want to answer were the orientation, communication, and resolution? Please raise your hand. Yes, please, Ms. Vira.
For the orientation, Tom the cat lived in a house where Jerry the mouse often stole cheese from the kitchen.
Excellent, Vira. Please. The second one, who is the one?
Complication.
Yeah, communication. Yeah. Please, no recording.
One day, Tom set a trap to catch Jerry, but Jerry noticed it and made the fake cheese to trick Tom.
Okay, excellent answer. And the last one, who is the? Okay, please.
The last one is Tom got caught in his own trap and Jerry escaped with the real cheese. Tom realized Jerry was smarter than he thought.
Okay, give a plus to your friend. Until this material, are you get it or you have questions?
What is the meaning of trap, miss?
Is menangkap like memerangkap Jerry. Tom
Oh.
ingin menangkap Jerry dengan cara memerangkapnya.
Oh, okay. Thank you, miss.
Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, this is the individual activity. Fill in the blank short story text. And the instruction is complete the short story below by filling in the blanks with your own creativity ideas. Use appropriate vocabulary for. Okay, the next is individual activity. Fill in the blank short story text. And the instruction is complete the story below the filling in the blanks with your own creativity ideas. Use appropriate vocabulary for characters, actions, settings, and emotions. Write down. No, rewrite the story, but for the fill in the blank saja.
Oh, how many minutes, miss?
10 until 15.
Okay, miss.
Okay, start. In your creativity, vocabulary, ideas, or the others. done?
No miss.
Okay. 5 pin 2. Create your creativity here. Yeah, you can discuss with your friends.
Period. Is it miss?
Yes? Yeah. Apakah kalian ada kesulitan dalam after you write, you will read in your friends. Nanti kayak kata kuncinya saja, kayak vocab yang kamu mau masukkan lalu baca kayak title Strange Day at the Kitchen, kayak like that.
with the title A Strange Day at the Campus. One morning, a boy named Sapri wake up feeling very sad. He looked out the window. He saw something strange. A debt collector standing in front of his house, his class. Curious and a little scared, he grabbed his phone and follow it to the toilet. There he saw a ghost who was holding a mysterious pocket. Suddenly, the object began to fly, and the sky turned green, yellow, and blue. Everyone around started to screaming. The boy knew he had to do something. He took a deep breath and crying toward a glowing object and screaming toward the glowing object. Stop! He shouted, but it was too late. The ground began to shaking. Then, just when everything seemed lost, his best friend suddenly appeared and helped him directly. In the end, they saved the day and returned home with relieved mind. It was truly a day would never forget. Thank you.
It's a fantastic story from your friends. 15. The second one. Who won? Saya kan? Ya, Akira, silakan. Jangan bacain. Kamu kita nih. Ya, silakan.
Okay, so the title is A Strange Day at the House. One morning, a boy named Jake woke up feeling very unwell. He looked out the window and saw something strange. A guy standing in front of his house. Curious and a little scared, he grabbed his gun and go into the garden. There, he saw a guy who was holding a mysterious plastic bag. Suddenly, the object began to blow up, and the sky turned dark. Everyone around started to scream and run. The boy knew he had to do something. He took a deep breath and walked toward the glowing object. Stop, he shouted, but it was too late. The ground began to crack, then just when everything seemed lost, his best friend Louis appeared and helped him to safety. In the end, they saved the day and returned home with a smile. It was truly a day they would never forget.
The third one is who want to tell your creativity's work? Okay.
Okay, I will to complete the fill in the blank for the story. Title: A strange day at the school. One morning, a boy named Ahmad woke up feeling very shocked. He looked the he looked out the window and saw something strange. Debt collectors standing in front of his school. And curious and a little scared, he grabbed his hat and followed into the school. There, there he was. He saw the collectors who was holding a mysterious hat. Suddenly, the object began to balcon, and the sky turned a man. Everyone around started to toy. The boy knew he had to do something. He looked. He took a deep breath and shot toward the glowing object. Stop! He shouted, but it was too late. The ground began to ping.
Ooh.
Move.
Yeah.
Began to running. Then just when everything seemed lost, his best friend Luke appeared and helped him more.
Yeah.
In the end, the day returned home with a friend. It was truly a day they would and never forget.
Okay, give a applause to your friends. Okay. The next activities is writing your short story by your homework. I will give you a paper. Here's here. After you write down in this your short story, kamu menukarnya dengan teman sebangku kalian, lalu penilaiannya itu peer rubricnya yang itu yang ini. Apakah short story-nya ada public structure, good flow, creativity, vocabulary, and you write down who is the characters, where is the setting, what is the problem, and why the problem solved. Are you getting it? Yes. Okay, write down in your paper. your short story. I will give you 20 until 30 minutes for your work. To work and write. And after you make and write down your short story, you will your friends to listen to your short story and will menilai dari rubrik review yang telah saya berikan. Ingat, strukturnya harus terurut, vocabulary yang menarik, plotnya juga in your own creativity. kalian akan menukar punya kalian dengan teman sebangku kalian. After that, you isi ini. Jangan lupa.
Okay,
And
Miss.
I will call the first one as Muspira.
Yeah.
Ya, di situ aja.
A title of my short story is Fira and the Mysterious Forest.
Ya, oke.
On one afternoon, Fira, a brave and clever girl, was walking through the mysterious forest near her village. She wore her grandmother's silver necklace, proud to carry something so special. Suddenly, out of nowhere, a strong wind blew through the trees. Vera felt a chill and clutched.
Just that.
Her necklace, but it was gone. Oh no, she whispered, her voice shaking. It must have fallen. Feeling scared but determined, Vera began to search every corner of the forest path. Her eyes darted left and right, looking for a glimpse of silver. She felt completely lost, but she didn't give up. Just then, a soft sound came from behind a tree. A small fox peeked out, something shiny in its mouth. Vera gasped it was the necklace. The fox stared at her, then turned and began following a narrow trail deeper into the forest. Vera followed carefully, hoping it would lead her to the necklace. At a small clearing, the fox dropped the necklace on a flat stone. I think.
Okay, it's a big great story from your head. Give a plus to your friends. Okay, who's the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, you're laughing.
Title is The Hidden Treasure.
Okay.
In a quiet coastal village, a spirit girl named Lila discovered an old dusty map tucked away in her grandmother's attic. The map promised a hidden treasure buried beneath the golden sands of the nearby beach. Excitement bubbled with her as she raced to the shore, the salty breeze tossing her hair. However, as she began to dig, she hit a hard object, a rose chest. Harassing, she pried it open to reveal not gold but beautiful seashells and forgotten letters. Lila realized the true treasure was the stories of her ancestors, connecting her to her family's rich story and love.
Okay, good story. Give a plus to your friends. I think it's enough. And so we move to the you write the content of your friend's short story and peer review a brief. Okay, tukar dengan teman sebangku kalian lalu nilai apakah komplit strukturnya. Masalah dan penyelesaian masalahnya ada.
clear.
And this one is reflection. What did you learn today? Who won?
How to write a story,
Short.
short story.
Okay. What was easy and difficult? It's fun or is it easy? Easy.
Yeah, it's difficult and easy.
Okay. What would you prefer next time?
Learn.
Okay. Give a bless to yourself. Okay. I think that's enough for today about short story. I hope you have ya, dapat menerapkan materi ini atau short story ini di pembelajaran yang lain. I think that's enough for today, my student. Maaf jika ada kesalahan dari kata-kata saya atau dari materi ini. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam